students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our chapter number 3, two stories about flying. So there are two stories. First one is his first flight and the second one is Black Aeroplane. Now before you read, since the earliest times, humans have dreamt of conquering the skies. Here are two stories about flying. कि पहले के ज़माने में जो लोग हुआ करते थे वो हमेशा ऐसा सपना देखते थे कि वो स्काइज़ को कॉन्क्योर करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर ऐसी दो स्टोरीज हैं जो फ्लाइंग से रिलेटेड हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ अ यंग सीगुल इज़ अफ्रेड टू फ्लाई. हाउ डज ही कॉन्क्योर हिज फियर. कि एक यंग सीगुल है, वो ऊंचाई से उड़ने से डरता है, लेकिन किस तरह से उसने अपने फियर को जीता. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज़ अ पायलट इज़ लॉस्ट इन स्टॉर्म क्लाउड्स. कि पायलट है वो तूफान भरे बादलों में खो गया है. डज ही अराइव सेफ. क्या वो सेफ वापस आएगा. हु हेल्प्स हिम. उसकी मदद कौन करेगा. सो टुडे वी विल डू द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दैट लेसन, हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट. नाउ दिस while explaining the lesson, students, this story is about a family of seagulls. There was a young seagull in the family who was unable to fly even after several tries. The story highlights the importance of family and friends in one's life. It also gives the message that one needs to believe in self to overcome all the hurdles of own life. Now here there are two characters, family of seagulls, 6 members in the family of seagulls, and young seagull, one who is unable to fly due to fear. So students, the summary of that lesson is, the young seagull was alone on his ledge. Ledge means cliff. His 2 brothers and his sister had already learned to fly. The young seagull was afraid to fly because of the long stretch and depth of the sea. He thought that his wings will not support him, so he ran back to his hole on the ledge. Therefore, the young seagull failed to gather up the courage to fly. His father and mother tried to persuade him to fly. They scolded and even threatened him that if he does not try to fly, they would let him die of hunger. But young seagull did not move. The 24-hour passed and nobody came near him. All the day the young seagull watched his parents teaching his brothers and sister how to fly. They were also teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for catching the fish. He had seen his elder brother catch the first herring. Herring means a soft-finned sea fish. When he ate it, his parents praised him. The whole family taunted the young seagull for his cowardice. Now, as the time passes, the young seagull could not tolerate the hunger and the heat. He moves closer to the ledge and pretends to fall asleep, but nobody takes notice on to him. Now his 2 brothers and his sister were sleeping and his father was cleaning his feathers, so his white back. Only his mother noticed him. She was standing high on the plateau with a fish. As the young seagull saw the food, he felt more hungry. Now, realizing his madness for the food, his mother tried to tempt him with piece of fish. Initially, she tore the fish in the manner the young seagull loved to eat. This sight maddened the young seagull. Then the mother flew nearer to him, which filled young seagull with joy. However, the mother stopped near the edge of the ledge. Out of excitement and hunger, the young seagull ran towards the mother and dived for the fish, as you see in that picture, students. Now initially, however the mother stopped near the edge ledge. Now initially the seagull was scared and screamed with fear when he dived. But soon he felt his wings spread outwards and he began to fly slowly downwards and upwards. He was no longer afraid of flying. Now soon his parents, brothers and sisters flew around him. When all the family members landed on the green sea, they called the young seagull to be with them. As the young seagull landed on the green sea, his legs sank into it. He tried to fly again, but he was tired and weak with hunger. Finally, his feet sank into the green sea. His belly touched it and he was floating on it. The family members praised him and offered him pieces of dogfish as he had made his first flight. So students, here this is the story of the first flight of a seagull, which is written by Liam O'Flaherty. So you have to read this chapter and try to find the answer of that lesson.